Now I'm interviewing people applying for a ServiceNow position. One of the usual technical questions I ask is, what would you do if you're tasked to implement a Cascade delete? And the common responses I receive are, oh, what's Cascade delete? And for some people, they would say, I'll edit the delete UI action to make it happen. And the last one, which I actually prefer the most, is I'll create a business rule, a before delete business rule, query the related table, the related records from that table, and delete them before the actual record itself gets deleted. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Alan, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how to easily implement Cascade delete in ServiceNow. First of all, what are we trying to solve? So let's take, for example, we have incidents. And in that incident, we're going to create a couple of incident tasks. Task number 1, and the other one is task number 2, of course. So in this incident, we have a couple of incident tasks. And what happened is, if I delete this incident tasks become orphan records because they used to be associated with an incident record, and now it is deleted. That means if I delete this incident record, if I refresh those incident task records, now they are not tied to any incident records right now. But before anything else, I would like to note that deleting incident records is not best practice. So this is for demonstration purpose only. So as I have demonstrated earlier, we created a business rule that if we delete this incident, then the related incident tasks will also be deleted. But the problem with that approach is, if I delete this, see that it just says, do you want to delete this record? And the problem is, as an end user, I am not aware that a couple of other incident tasks related to this incident will also be deleted. And the problem with that approach is you have to maintain business rule or business rules responsible for doing that Cascade delete. Now, ServiceNow has an out-of-the-box functionality that lets you do the same thing without creating a business rule or writing a script. And it is as easy as just configuring a dictionary entry. So in this example, we have the incident, and the related incident tasks are connected to this incident with this incident field. So if I right-click on this filter or breadcrumb, open a new window, you'll see that those incident tasks are related with the incident field. So if I configure the incident task table by right-clicking on the column header, choose configure table, and open the dictionary entry for that column or field, which is the incident field. Now under the related links, there's an advanced view link there. If you click that, in the advanced view of this column or field, you'll see an option there called reference cascade rule. If you set that to delete option, that will basically do the same thing. Now let's see how it works. If you go back to the related list of incident tasks, right click on that to open a new window, you'll see that if I delete this incident, there's now a warning message that says deleting this record will result in the automatic deletion of the following related records. If I delete that and check on the list of incident tasks, if I refresh this, now those incident tasks are also deleted. Now the next question that you may have in mind is, how about if I don't like that to happen? So that means it is called Cascade restrict. So you just have to go back to the dictionary entry of the incident field in this example. And instead of delete, you just have to switch it to restrict. Now that it is set to restrict, if I try to do that again and delete one of those incidents with incident tasks related to it, it just asks for confirmation. But if I proceed with it, despite having a couple of incident tasks under it, now it prevents me from doing so with this error message. That's it for this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more ServiceNow related videos. Thank you for watching. Ciao.